Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can edit photos in Google Photos. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Photos and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. There's the photos section, memories, library, and lastly search. So right here in the home section, you're going to find all of your photos. So just go ahead and search for the photo you want to edit. Then once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then once you click on it, right here, as you can see guys at the bottom, you're going to find share, edit, lens, and delete. So go ahead and click on edit. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to this page. So basically guys, this is the editor. Right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find a lot of options. So here in suggestions, we have dynamic, enhance, vivid, luminous, and all of these options. That's all ready for you to use. Or you can have some other tools like the crop tool. You can crop the image. Here you're going to find some other tools like blur, magic eraser, sky. From here, you can adjust your brightness, your contrast, your HDR effect, white point, and so on. And there is also a lot of sections like filters, markup, and more. So, for example, I'm going to go to adjust, and then I'm going to adjust the brightness a little bit. So, for example, I'm going to decrease the brightness just a little bit. -10 is good. And then I'm going to click on done, and then click on save to save your changes. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.